Hey, what's up, guys? This is Chad Cabalka on Team Cabalka at Remax Professionals. We are your home field advantage. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about renting versus buying today in Denver. Historically, there's always been reasons to buy over renting. The American dream, owning your own home, paying your mortgage instead of somebody else's, all wonderful reasons to buy a home. But today in Denver, there are huge factors in play that say that renting is not the answer, that today we need to figure out how you can buy. First off, I want to talk to you guys about mortgage insurance, or MI. If you ever hear a lender or an agent talk about MI, they're talking about mortgage insurance. It doesn't do anything for you. On any government-backed loan, FHA, VA, USDA, mortgage insurance is in place to protect the lender just in case you default on the loan. It doesn't do anything for you. It was in 2014 1.35%. That number went down less than a week ago to 0.85%. Okay, what the heck does that mean? That's going to save you on average, if you have a government-backed loan, of $75 a month or $900 a year. Great. It's the big thing that it's going to really do for you is it gives you almost $17,000 in additional buying power. And in today's market, where everything is going for at or over asking, having that extra buying power can really go a long way to help you get what you want. Second, I want to talk to you guys about interest rates. You've probably heard on the radio for the past 3 years some guy saying, buy now, interest rates are about to go up, blah, 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 the sky's falling. That's not true. Interest rates have been kept down for a multitude of different reasons, artificially by the government, the type of bond prices, all that technical mumbo-jumbo, but rates aren't going to go up to a drastic level anytime soon, and they actually just went down to 3.25% for a 30-year fixed FHA loan. That is absolutely mind-bogglingly low. They started that whole media campaign of buy now when they were at like 6%. They're almost at half that now. Most of you are millennials like me. When our parents were first buying, throw a 1 in front of that. They were looking at 13.5% interest rates. You're down at 3.25%. When you include all of the different tax write-offs you get for owning your own home, that's more or less free money. Another great reason to buy right now. Number 3, and this one is very specific to us here in Denver, the average rent cost has exploded. I've gotten this specific question 5 times in the last week from friends who are scouring the rental market and are just realizing I can't even afford to rent anymore. There's a website called rentjungle.com. If you go to it, you can see what I'm about to tell you for yourself. In 2010, when most of us were graduating from college and going out and renting our first apartments, the average rental here in Denver for an apartment, excluding what bedrooms or bathrooms it has, was about $950. Today, you're looking at almost $1,500. It's like $1,498. In 5 years, it's gone up $500. Who's to say the next 5 years it's not going to go up another $500? And 5 years from now, if you didn't buy, you're going to be looking at paying $2,000 a month on average for just an apartment that you get no financial benefit from. So skyrocketing rental is probably the biggest reason why in Denver we got to figure out how you can buy. Number 4, home values. This one is absolutely huge as well. Every year I do what's called a CMA for all my past clients. It's comparative market analysis. Pretty much gives them a general idea of what their home is worth. Every year I update it and let them know either way. Either it went down and went up, or it just kind of stayed the same. Well, I have a friend who, I'm not going to name names, bought a house last year in February. Great starter home, $250,000. I did a CMA for him and his wife. Same property. Today, I would list for $275,000. More or less, they added $25,000 to their net worth just for owning a home. And that doesn't even include the improvements that I know they made to the property or the principal they paid off by their monthly payment. That's just owning it. Went up $25,000. It's like having a third income. It's awesome. So number 4, home value. Got to get you in there before they get out of reach. And last but not least, number 5. I have a lot of friends who have outstanding credit, good job, but just can't seem to save the $12,000, $13,000, $14,000 needed to put down on a house. Well, you're in luck because there are 2 outstanding options for down payment assistance right now. If you're looking at buying in the Denver metro area, there's a grant called the Denver MMA grant. What it is you get 4% of the purchase price, whatever the purchase price may be, back to you at closing that can be used for down payment, loan origination fee, closing fees, all of that stuff. You couple that with a little bit of seller concessions, I can get you in a house for nothing. If you're looking at buying outside of the Denver metro area, the United States USDA, excuse me, the Division of Agriculture has a specific loan for trying to develop that land outside of metro areas. No down payment, no mortgage insurance. It's outstanding. So these 5 reasons right here is why I'm going to help you figure out how to cross renting off the board and get you into a house. Give me a call. My number is 720-401-2711, or you can give my team member Dwight a call at 720-936-4168. Let's figure out how to get you a home. This is Chad Cabalka on Team Cabalka at RE/MAX Professionals. We are your home field advantage. Until next time.